Hey everyone, it's Amoeba again. Today I wanted to talk a little about this very old video of me drawing a picture of... You can already tell who it is, right? Yep, that's Troye Sivan, the one and only. It's like really old. It's from 2018, I think. I'm not sure though. Anyway, so this was my first time trying to draw a real person. Like, not people from my imaginations. And at that time I was really into Troye's music, and like his Bloom era look, I think. So he was quite the inspiration. I was sketching with just one pencil. I'm not even sure how soft the lead was. I guess I didn't really care at that time. Actually, I recorded the full process of this video on my phone. But then it ran out of space and the whole video was lost, and it made me really upset. I did try to retrieve it, but sadly the file was corrupted. Anyways, guys, that's why this video is so short. And the clips are so random. So yeah, it was my first time sketching a face from a picture. And the drawing is pretty amateur. And my lines are too messy. They're not smooth at all. Actually, that's a real comment I got from an artist friend. And since then, I was being careful not to break the lines too much while sketching. Wait, let me talk about Lucky Strike. Well, it's just a name of a song by Troye. And I really love it. So that's that. I don't remember very well why I added it here. So, it took me several hours to finish this sketch. And that's why the lighting was different on the clips.